Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, welcome to the first episode of the internship panic room, and I am Ayesa.
And I am Jackie.
And I'm Aziza.
Today we have podcast about
Internship!
Yay! So in here we already have like question for we answer. So let's get started for the first question.
Yes.
Okay, for the first one, it's what's your struggles faced before the internship? Okay, for the first,
For the
one
first-
is like Jackie
Jackie
first.
So the struggle for internship is there's many type of struggles. Yeah. For the first, I think is to apply the internship, right?
Yes.
And so, like, if you wanna apply internship, you need to prepare so many things like CV, portfolio, yourself, your mental state, and any health problems, your transportation, your money. So, like, we need to prepare so many things like that, and it's a struggle to prepare those. And the second one is probably um, you have to also prepare yourself for the interview, right? So because like imagine you're interviewing with someone from a company, so like they're very professional, and then you're just like you're the first and you're just doing internship. So like we need to like prepare ourselves to be mentally questioned by someone more professional, more older than us. So that's my take on the struggles. What about you, Acha?
Okay, for me, it's we must prepare for our mental is the first one, that one, and then our words that we can when we interview with the
Interviewer
the interviewer, so we can answer with
with clear.
clear like that.
Yeah.
It's for me like that, and with in the portfolio too.
Yes.
Then
Actually, our general struggle for phase before the internship it's same, yeah.
yes.
And now we doing the portfolio because we also we will do the internship later, and we just start for making the portfolio and for the CV. So for after we make the portfolio, yeah, the second one is the interview also, because we haven't get the experience for job for the interview.
For
So
job interview,
for
so-
the answer also maybe
We need to
so
practice.
we need to practice, and
Yeah.
so scared because with the professional with
With a
professional person and
person
older than us.
Yeah.
Yes.
So like that's very a struggle because since we are like internship, right? It's not really a job. Like we're looking for a job.
Yeah, and
Yes.
for we can with our staff
with-
at the
Yeah, with our
when we
staff, our
already
co-workers.
internship, we're not really close with the other. So
we need to adapt
yes, we need
to adapt the work
with the work, with the
environment.
building, with the company.
We need to do
or,
team building.
Yes.
Team building is very hard. And then next, okay, right, Acha?
Okay, next
Next
question is the dream workplace you imagine versus the reality of the task you're likely to face at the start of your internship.
Oh, this is a very hard question.
Jackie.
For me, so like the dream that I usually pick is like, I need the place really. The place needs to be very open-minded because like I don't want a workspace where you have to be like really controlled by the boss. I don't really like that. I want the space to be like open and free. Not actually free, but there's boundaries of course. But you need to be. But there's like time for exploration, and the boss is very kind, and the seniors are very kind. I want that to be like an open space for us to just clearly express ourselves in that environment, because like a healthy environment is a very successful company, right?
Yes.
And then Aja?
Okay, for me it's I imagine if I on the, do you know Runs Entertainment? Yeah, it's
Mm.
like that, and then I make like one a film or on there, and then in that the credits there's my name. It's like so
It's so exciting.
yeah, right?
Just imagine getting you to see your own animation in the big screen.
Yes. Oh my god, it's so interesting and makes us like
Proud.
proud of
Yeah.
ourselves like that. But I still remember I'm still struggle with my
Make a fake logo, yeah.
like make a fake logo
Like
like
real logo.
make something like uh
Pre-production.
production like that.
So
So
struggle.
yes, but I still
It's a long
hard
way.
for uh learn.
Yeah, it's
for that-
okay.
for
We
that.
still
Yes.
still learning, Cha.
Yes.
For Aji.
Okay. I know you guys ever watch the movie that
Really?
hard
Hard.
the movie that work
Yeah.
in some place gitu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nah, I imagine that when in at company we can immediately adapt with the company and for the staff, and our work it's not really hard,
Mhm.
actually, but I heard I ever heard in some company it's like there is senioritas and
Ah,
junioritas.
yes.
Nah, it's so scared, guys. We know we just internship and we junior at that company, so hopefully we don't get that junior and senioritas at that company.
Yes,
Yes, I mean,
Because it's very,
And-
we don't know actually about the company
Yes.
workplace. Kan ya, in our interview it's just like, usually the interviewer said like, can you adapt fast? Can you adapt? Can you adapt?
But
Can you
it's
adapt?
it's not really easy.
Yeah,
for
because
us.
like everyone cannot. Everyone is different.
Yeah.
Their adaptation speed is very different too. So like, people can't really expect them to really adapt that fast into a company. So like, in my opinion, we need to. It's okay if you cannot adapt that fast as everyone, but you still need to adapt because
Yeah.
like the world is still moving and it's not gonna stop for you.
Yeah, we hope like our senior and our company leader, it's like humble with
Mm.
us and then
Kind,
kind
and then very patient with us if we made a
Yes.
mistake, because like then again we're still internship, right?
Yes.
We're still learning.
We need mentor also that can guide us for the task we will get.
yes.
Mm.
For the
Okay.
next
For the
question,
third question,
what are we really afraid of, and what action do you want to take to overcome the panic before starting to apply for an internship?
oh, our fears now. Oh, very okay. Very honest questions. For me, what I'm afraid of is really getting rejection.
Yeah,
Who doesn't want? Who
all of
doesn't?
us.
Yes. Who doesn't get afraid of rejection? I mean, like that's a very human nature to get rejected, but like it's a fear, of course. Usually, if we get rejected, we panic a lot, or not. If we do, if we're waiting for that internship letter, for that contract letter, we're kind of panic because like, did we get in? Did we get not? Yeah. So like, so before that panic overcomes me, I need to do something like apply another one, because like let's be honest, we are humans and we need backup plans. We need like 10 backup plans for our backup plans even. So like I'm an overthinker, so I need some backup plans more than the usual need of backup plans. So yeah, I overcome my panic like that. How about you?
My biggest afraid is
Fear.
yes, like how if I fear in the software, like I need to they need to like give me task,
Mm-hmm.
and then they give me task like learn
Learn this.
no for apa ya do this with the new like a new software
new
that I
software.
don't know like that.
Oh, we got that.
Yes, and then like maybe I can still for search and learning fast maybe, but for the I don't know again.
Because like really hard to
Yes.
adapt to a new software kan.
Yes, real.
Yeah, I got that because like in Framer right now, it's sometimes Framer is
hard.
Framer is still a new software for us, and imagine we have to use that
Yes.
software to make a portfolio, a fully functional portfolio where we need animation and stuff, and we just learned Framer for
And
like
then
what 2 weeks.
Yes, and then one time, right?
Just
At one time
Time
break.
in 10th
Yeah.
grade.
Yes.
And that was
teacher
also-
is just give us for the material and for the
Mm.
practice it's just once.
And it's
Yes.
copy
And
paste.
for the rest we need to learn
Learn.
by ourselves.
It's kind of hard to adapt to Framer because like sometimes Framer when we copy the design to the Framer it's bad.
Yes, so bad. Oh my God.
So we need to adjust more in Framer, and for design Framer is so different with Figma.
So different.
So different.
It's really professional.
Yes.
Raji, for what you're scared?
Okay. Me same with Jackie. My afraid of is when I get rejected from the company. Yes, of course. And for how what action that I do before
Before you panic.
yeah before the panic come to me. Yeah, I need to try and also try my best and just searching for the question for the interview so I can learn and I can just practice for how many times.
Yeah.
So I can just usual for the question and I can try answer for the best answer.
Yeah.
Its rejection is hard.
Yes.
So, but like it's okay, guys, to get rejected. Okay, so
Yeah.
because like it's the world is very cruel and it's very not sometimes that company is not good for us
Yes.
because like we don't know, right? Maybe that company is bad for us
Yeah.
when there's like a bad environment.
Bad
Maybe
environment.
we got rejected because Allah save us from a bad
Yes. And
environment.
when we get rejected, we can learn more for our
From our next internship
yes,
interview.
yes.
So like it's okay to get rejected. It's okay to fail. Next question. Oh, same question.
Just next.
Just next.
All right. Next question. What actions do you want to take to overcome the panic before starting to apply? Okay, we're doing this. Okay. Case X. What is the ultimately normal to be noob or beginner at an internship? Oh, this is very 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 what's it called? Unique question. I mean, like it's okay to be a beginner in internship, really, guys. Because right now everyone starts from somewhere, and we're starting right now.
Yes.
Right now we're starting at zero experience, with zero experience, with zero experience from what we're gonna face right now. Because honestly, we're starting this off only once, so like we live only once, so like it's okay to be afraid of with zero expectation for internship. We need we need more experience for that. So like I said before.
So yeah, the answer is just one. Is practice.
Yeah.
Yes. Before we answer to the company,
Mhm.
we just need to practice every second minute, every second day, every time, every day, and anywhere like that.
Yes.
Then we also need to like overcome it.
Yes.
Then,
Okay. So yeah, what same like Jackie says before, we start from the beginner. So yeah, in here also when we just we school here, I don't know anything about design actually.
Mm-mm.
So I just need to study every day and explore what is design.
Mm.
Until now, 11th grade, I know so many things about design. It's from for soft skill or for the software or for the skills that I get from here. So yeah, in company, actually, our what we learn here is actually
Like,
in outside. It's
it's
already
very-
it's very
very hard to
yeah
get.
very hard to get.
So I didn't prepare us very long. It's like we're doing this college but backwards. So like we're
Yes.
already getting this material before we actually
Before.
need that
Yes.
material. But like it's a good thing because like when
We
I
already-
talk to my friend, when I ask my friend, hey, have you learned this type of thing? Like, oh, you learned that type of thing in IDN?
Yes.
I'm like, huh? You didn't learn this type of thing? And then they was like, yeah, we didn't learn that. How come you learned that?
Yes, even the our in this our in our school, and then
We compare.
we compare with other not company. It's like campus. Is the material and then the and then the material is like same.
Mm-mm.
So, but we like more like hike the skill than
Yeah.
them like that.
Because we didn't know that
Yes.
we're not supposed to learn this thing right now. But it's okay. That's why I think that's why we were very stressed.
Yeah.
Yes,
There's,
real.
there's so many people in here who get sick because of stress. But I think that's normal.
Especially for this Ujicom timeline.
Yeah, people get sick left and right. And then after that, it's also the weather.
Yes.
Like
Pancaroba.
Yeah.
We call that Pancaroba here because the weather is
Getting changed like
every day.
one morning it can be cloudy and then the afternoon will be very sunny, it's very
Yeah.
hot, and then the night it can be very rainy. Like sometimes sometimes we wear our shoes in front, right, and then my shoes always get wet
For the morning.
yeah
next
for
morning.
for the next morning. So like, oh my god, I don't have any more shoes. So yeah, it's like life here is very preparing for us for everything
Yeah.
from the moment we wake up, because we don't know, yeah guys, what type of how many time, I mean, like what time that we should be going to that workplace. Maybe we should be going there at 6, and then our place is like 2 hours long, 2 hours long drive from our workplace, so we need to get up at very early, right?
Yes. So it's also when we get the company that far from our home, we need to use maybe Transum or
Our
if
vehicles.
use our
Private
own
vehicle.
car also. It's it's so crowded
Mm-mm.
in the streets. So
Especially with the gas
Yes.
price, the gas
Oh,
price,
oh my
and
God.
you know, I don't. We don't really talk about gas price. Once I go to the gas station and we want to fill out my card to be like full, and it's like 500.
oh,
Oh my
my god.
God.
It's so expensive. Yeah.
And then there's this
And
one,
it's also rush hour. Yeah.
yeah, rush hour say
All people want to
get gas.
Yeah.
And then there's this one time that my father told me, like, yeah, that car in front of you just spent 1 million for just gas,
Oh
just
my
gas. So like, this world is demanding more of our money, and it's very hard for us to get money because AI is taking over. Very surprised.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, but what do you think, guys? If we compare this 11th grade, is 11th grade like it's like our schedule is already full, right?
Full, very very full.
But if we imagine how we compare at 11th grade and later when we 12th grade,
Yeah. Wow, it's
So-
gonna be more full.
yes,
Imagine.
It's so different with us. When 11th grade, we still in boarding school, or we still in IDN. But when 12th grade, we already go to outside and we meet so many people
Yes.
that we never seen before. It's like from this from this
environment, from
yeah,
this family. We see our friends every day, and then
Yeah.
suddenly we cannot see them every
Mm.
day.
we
don't
do
like-
by ourselves.
Yes.
Like which one we that it's more than hard, 12th grade or 11th grade. Kan if 11th grade it's like we have like task meet and then we must finish it
Wow.
all off.
Yeah,
And
It's
then
more
each grade
It's hard on their own.
yeah
have like
have minus and plus.
yes.
Yeah, for 11th grade we still in boarding school and we not
We're
We
not think
don't have-
about we're not think about like food because we
Yeah.
already got food,
Yeah.
and then
we just need to buy.
we need to buy, and we just
Buy.
need to get our money. And then
Yes.
in 12th grade, we don't know if we're gonna eat or not because like
Yeah.
kan you guys, we don't know if we're gonna go to apartment, no,
Yeah.
kosan or
Kosan.
something like that, because like
We just hope we,
We just,
get our company near with home so we can eat every day.
yeah, kan we don't know ya.
We don't need to buy from
Our own
outside.
We don't need to spend our money
Yeah.
because like yeah, food is getting demanding, especially plastic and stuff. Wah.
Yeah.
And then
We
okay,
hope like our internship
we'll
company it's more like
uh,
close with our home.
home, and then there's
Yeah.
also
Yes.
maybe there's like a canteen in the
Yeah.
company. It's okay. I mean like for food,
Yeah, for
free food at least
Yes.
because
Now
like,
we get for the money of course and for the food.
yeah,
So
I mean like yeah, better than spending your food on
Yes.
GoPay.
Or yes.
Go food.
Go food.
Go food.
Spend our money.
Yeah, we need to save up our money because like there's a reward of getting the most
self reward.
Self reward.
no there's
Later.
in graduation and
Oh.
there is the reward for getting the most paid for the most money you
money.
get,
Yeah.
and then it's like one of the best achievement you can get in Eden because like your paid your paid will be shown in the big screen like
Yeah.
how much you earn in that company.
Mm.
And
Yeah,
then last
And
time,
this time, at this time, I just hope if later we get money
3D
higher than
than the previous,
the previous.
because like the previous one is 120 million.
Oh my
Imagine.
God, it's so
Our senior is so
Very good.
awesome, right, and guys? That's why we need to study more harder
yeah.
to get that 120 million. That's a 3-digit
So it's-
paid. We need to do 3 digits too. I mean, yeah.
We hope.
But are you guys think about after the internship you will continue for work or for
College.
yes for college?
Oh, for me is I cannot do gap year. Actually,
Yes.
I cannot do gap years.
Because gap year it's for some people maybe they can learn more,
More,
but for me I cannot because when we already in home and we already get for the
time.
for phones or for a laptop, it's so
Yeah.
hard to manage the time.
Yes,
Because
yeah.
like I cannot trust myself to not be distracted by my phones and laptop.
Yes.
It's like no. I cannot do gap years. I need to do college. I don't need gap years because like no. I'm gonna get myself distracted.
Oh my god. Before, like I think I need to get here because I want to study work. Like, but so that because of that I like need more
We need
Yeah.
more practice. Yeah,
practice. Like
need more knowledge.
Yes, but I think a game like maybe no
No
not
need
not it maybe
No
not,
need gap
not
year.
right now
Not right now. Because in this economy, gap year is like, yeah, it's okay for gap year, but for me, I think gap year is not really my style because, like I said before, the world is spinning so hard.
Yeah, if we want like gap year, it's like we must
After.
more like we must have like
More,
schedule
yes,
like maybe like
Every day what
every day what you do, what you learn, you need to do bimbel and stuff.
Oh my god.
Because and then you need to think about your competition, your competitors, because if you do gap years and then you will have to get into college with the people, with your juniors. You can do like, I mean, like, it's okay for you to apply college late, but like for me, I really don't want that, because like it's a little embarrassing, yeah, to be in the same grade as your juniors. That's all.
So yeah, in 12th grade we need to do many things,
Mhm.
work, and we also
We need to study.
parallel with
Multitasking.
with study for preparation college also. Oh my god.
There's so many things to prepare for college, which is IELTS, IELTS if you want to go abroad,
Yeah.
SAT,
Yes.
math, English. Imagine combining math and English.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
So yeah, by the way, we at IDN it's not really study for math. So
Yes.
we don't really
We
study
study
for
for math,
general things.
yeah, it's a general thing,
So
and
it's hard
it's
for
hard
us.
for understanding
Understanding
more,
about
and-
general stuff like IPS, PAI, something like
because
that.
we need to speedrun also
Yes.
for 3 years. From 10th grade until 12th grade. What actually senior high school for the lesson math is
It's very,
study.
it's very, very,
Very
different.
hard.
Because the last time we studied is like it's about allogram, or like what is-
algorithm.
algorithm. It's very different,
But it's so hard, algorithm.
very hard.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Thank you guys.
Okay, so I think we're at the very ending of our podcast. I think it's gonna be 30 minutes for this. Okay. So like final words from us, from my words from me. Okay. Okay. So final word from me. If you wanna do internship, just do it. Just be confident. Okay. Be yourself. Just be confident and apply as many
Yeah.
as you can, because like you never know which company is gonna accept you.
Exactly.
Just be confident.
Yeah.
So that's
For
why
Echa.
Daddy said like apply 100 company.
Yeah.
So please apply for
because you
100
don't know what company
that will accept us like that.
Okay, Echa, your final words for the viewers.
That's
Oh,
already.
the same for me.
Yes, same information.
Okay.
Just good luck for us.
Yeah,
Yes,
good luck,
good
yeah.
luck
Pray
for
for us.
Yeah.
Pray for us. Yay.
Okay, that's all for our podcast.
Yay.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much
much
for listening, and see you next time.
Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.